Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and today I'm gonna teach you the MACACO. That is a capoeira move, but you can also use it in your sets while connecting some footworks or freezes or power moves or whatever you want. So to start, you should start in this position, just like that. And if you are left-handed, you should put your left arm like this, straight in front of you, and then do this movement and land your hand behind you in this direction. So like this, not like this the hand, but like this or like this, so not like that. Then when you're like that, push up your hips like this and jump. Just do that. Try this a few times. Okay, this is the first step. Second step, you just need to do the same movement, but try to jump over with your legs in this direction. So not straight like this, but in this side, just like that. It's very silly, but it makes you understand how to do the macaco. So just try this for a few times. This, and jump on this side with your legs. And try to not land like this, but land with your feet behind you. So try to do a full circle. If you start here, you should land here with your feet. Like that. Practice this more times until you feel very comfortable. And then try to do the same, but kick more up with your legs and push up your hips. So this time you're not gonna jump in this direction, but you're gonna jump in this direction. So like a halfway, not too much on the side, but also not straight, like in this side. I'm gonna show you. Always the same start. You can also start with both hands like that and do that. And also you should help yourself with the other arm by doing that. Like that. At the beginning it will look a little bit worse, maybe, kind of like this. But don't worry, just keep doing it and it will get better with the time. If you want, you can also, when you jump, put on the ground your right arm, kind of like that. It's up to you. I prefer to do it only with one arm, but you can do it with two if you want. Maybe you can also practice on the other side to do it on both sides. It can help you more. And that's basically it for the tutorial. If you're interested, check out my merch, link in the description. Thanks to Rose Punch, the Captain, his Instagram in the description. And if you want more tutorials, let me know which moves in the comments down below. And see you in the next episode. Yo, ninja!